While one strike from a drone could be enough to take out even a tank, the more armor the target carries, the bigger warhead needs to be, at the same time increasing the risk of only damaging the equipment. So Ukraine sometimes sends swarm attacks to destroy armored equipment, but can also deploy some heavy rotor drones, as these can carry larger and multiple payloads. The risk of having a bad hit diminish as multiple drops can be made, as seen here where 4 warheads are dropped at the back section of the tank where the armor is the weakest, making sure the tank gets so damaged it becomes useless, turning it to scrap metal, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.